Hi, I'm Marna, and today I wanted to show you some really cute little Christmas ornaments. I have the Chatty Cathy Christmas ornaments, and I have another video where you can see my little review on them. These are Monster High, and I just love these Monster High dolls. Each one of these are made by Hallmark. We found this one at an antique mall. It's the 2016 Hallmark Monster High. She's really cute. This is Draculaura, and I think that's adorable. This is later Darren got on eBay and surprised me with another one of these little ornaments, because you can't have just one. And check out Frankenstein. Isn't that cute? It's kind of like the Night Before Christmas movie. I think that's adorable. I love that hair. So then, oh, I didn't mean to throw her down. Then Darren surprised me and bought me a third Monster High Hallmark ornament. I'm not sure where I'm going to hang these, but I will be this Christmas. I think they're cute. I will say she's sitting on a package. I think it's kind of strange the way she's sitting there, like almost on a toilet, but it's very cute. Thank you for visiting our channel. Please leave a like and subscribe.